Hey guys, how y'all doing? Before we begin, I want you to know that this video is probably sponsored by Black Mamba Photography, so if you need any help with any of your portraits, please notify below. Yeah, it's beginning, the new month has begun, and as you can see, this is a new device which has been broadcasted and published by Infinix, the new Infinix Hot 7. There's not much I can say about this device, but one thing's for sure that it doesn't beat its predecessors, the Infinix Hot 6X. It doesn't actually beat it in any way. It doesn't have any major advancements or any major modifications, except for the new speaker modulation, which has been seen around the back of the device, and I'd say this isn't very impressive. So these are the very latest specs we have on this device now. 6.2-inch HD display, 8 megapixel front-facing camera. The new Infinix XOX Honeybee, it doesn't support 4G, it's holding at 3G and 2G, also with a 2GB RAM on the Pro version. If not for anything guys, I'd say that the major modulation, which has been the speaker bump on the back, isn't actually very impressive, because most of the time when we listen to music, we usually lie our phones on its back, so that means this new modulation, which is the speaker bump, which is going to be on the back, isn't actually going to be useful or make any sense if you're listening to music and you lie on a phone on its back, because it's obviously going to be covered most of the time. And as a result of this, I don't think this was actually thought through by Infinix. I'm serious. It doesn't support 4G LTE, whereas its predecessor, the Infinix Hot 6X, actually supported. Okay guys, I don't think this device is actually worth waiting for. We should just skip this one.